No, tú tienes que reportar y abrir el claim. Nomás le vas a decir que eso es onda.
Let's be first, guys. Shoot it. Oh, goal. Ah, good hit. Be first to the ball, guys. Out wide, out wide. Oh no. Are you kidding me?
Is that a goal?
Yeah. Hey! Wake up!
Okay,
me mandó emails.
Hey, there's no reason for that. Get it out the back.
Right now, stay on.
Pass it, Miguel.
¿En dónde está tu?
Sí, porque la verdad cambié mi auto insurance.
Ya vengo saliendo aquí del juego, es que era las 5:30, pero empezó tarde porque no había aire.
Sí, puse 4 y sí, puse los 3 carros y luego no lo puse y dije, no lo tengo como cambiado.
There's a goat over here.
Pagando las cosas.
Ah! Get it out!
Get out of the way!
Lo mandas y get the adjustment that because my estimate on the link. If you pull the link, it gets a virus. So you gotta instead push like you're gonna print it.
Yeah, me voy a fijar porque cuando ella, she sent me something, I don't know. I thought she was going to the claim, but she never did. Oh, it's
Take the line, la línea, Dani. Go, get it back, get it back, get it back. Take the line, Ezra.
Take it out.
La línea, Dani, la línea. Good, let's go.
Go, Arturo!
Get it back.
Come on. Talk. Get it out. Machado.
Wind damage.
Come on, Arturo. Follow.
Wind damage.
Drop back. Drop back, Miguel.
Te mando mensaje. ¿Tu number? Oh, yeah. En tu business card. Dale, pues. Thank you.
Jose, I need you dropping. Let's go. Stop watching. Let's go, man mark. Drop back, guys. Don't watch. Throw. Right there, Arturo. Right there. Again. Machado, let's go. Danny, make a move. Arturo, get on the last man. Push up, Arturo. Arturo, sube. Call for it. There's no offside. Go, Miguel! Cut it back and look for the cross!
Wait, you're in for Miguel?
It's our balls, eh? Arturo, stay! Miguel! Get outside! Get outside! Arturo! Go, Arturo!
Arturo, you gotta shoot the ball!
This other thing came.
Waiting for it.
Cambio! Miguel! Cambio! Miguel! Now! You got your card? Miguel, let's go! Hustle!
It isn't even his name.
Hustle, dude. You're going to get a yellow card next time you talk to the ref like that. And I see that. Don't act like you didn't do nothing either. Let's go, Danny! Where are you going? Look for the cross! Yeah.
Why is nobody rushing? Where's the speed? Let's go!
Slowly went past the ball.
Vamos a apretar. Buena. Robert. I know. You can't see it. It's that far.
I know, but the guy, they had a guy hanging on the post.
That's why they need another.
Danny, Arturo, high press. Let's go, high press. Level of
intensity,
guys. High press, Arturo, let's go. Quítasela, quítasela, quítasela. Let's go. Why'd you jump? Hey, Arturo, you need a high press.
Let's go, carry. Arturo, lay him now. Overlap.
Again. Take his space. No, take the space. You gotta take the space, Arturo. Let's go. Get it back, let's go. Good, take the space. Take
Take him again.
You have all the space. Jose, you had all the space. Let's go, you gotta use it.
Come on, striker!
No play. Get it out.
Be good.
I'll put him in for
I'm gonna put Machado. I'm gonna put Ivan on the back.
Oh, yes.
You have a chair friend?
Luis for Isaac. Stop playing.
Get it out. Go. Play it now.
Sooner! You gotta do it sooner!
Arturo, hey, you need to talk to him that you're gotta make that run. Tell him.
Come on, Nova, cut it off. Get it out. Daddy, come here.
Go.
Play it now. Good.
Good one, guys. Come on. Keep the pressure.
It should be like right
Go.
Keep the pressure.
Okay, get in the way. And then you can turn it okay? To the space.
Play it now. Let's go. One more. We're there, Arturo. Go, Azariah. Nova, cut it off. Now. Don't call it. Turn and go. That's right. Call for it. Go, Arturo. Now. Daddy, now.
Danny, look at
Let's go, Isaac. What do you guys check to it? Ref, come here.
Nova!
Isaac.
Nova! Let's go, Nova! Isaac! Hey! Jose! Center back! Right now, a little bit. Center back.
Where is my center back?
Jose! Drop! Machado! Drop! Center back!
Machado, center back. Hey, Arturo, Luis, we don't give up.
Keep it up. Come
Nice
on.
press right off the bat. Ref, come here. Danny Vargas.
Tell him, talk to him. You need to talk to your defense.
Hey, tell Machado.
Mac Mason, give your play card to the ref.
Go.
Azariah.
Hurry up. Let's go, that's right. Get some water.
Give it to the ref.
Give it to the ref, Veronica. Let's go, Luis. Come on, Arturo.
Go, get it back.
Get it back, Arturo. Fight for it, Machado.
Oh, let's put Nathan in the center.
Nathan. Nathan, center back.
Bajando.
Mason, right back. Gale, you stay left back. It's a black throw it, drop back. Guys, drop back, Machado. And start throwing. Drop back. Pressure, Danny. Come on, Iker, be first. Be first, Iker. Pass it. One more, Jose, good. Go, Luis. Take him.
Go.
Look for the middle.
Get ready, Mason.
Nathan, you're center back.
Get out of there.
Go. Nathan, stay center back.
Far over there. Too far.
Nathan, that's your space. Come on, Gail. Veronica, straight back. Veronica, call for it. Dribble, Veronica.
Dribble.
Overlap, Veronica. Keep going.
Go.
Take the line, Dani.
Take him.
Hasta la esquina, vamos.
Dribble inside.
Acércate.
Up. Oi. Good.
Good job, strikers. Keep it up.
Be first, Iker.
Here we go. Sit down.
Arturo, as soon as the ball's dropped, go get it.
Our jersey, Dad. I see someone. Am I doing anything bad?
No, you're good.
It's just oh no, that's
Look for the cross. We're there. Corner. Luis, go take it. No, Danny, go take it. Luis, go. Machado, just the ball. Arturo, go. Okay, Rio.
No, it's not that. You gotta accept that. No one's like helping him. No. Yeah, he's the only one. He's the only one. Because he's the only one helping for him. You got Arturo. You got Danny. Up there helping him. That's one thing.
Corner.
Sway, bro. Sway, bro. Patient. Shoot. Shoot it, Arturo. Well, we should have scored like 2 goals. I think we should have had that one when he hit the post. Back! I already know that because I already saw it. No foul?
Nathan, remember, you're center back. Buena, Luis, buena. Santiago. Cambio. Dani. I'm gonna put Santiago in.
Yes.
Dani, let's go, Dani, vamos. Yeah.
Keep that rotation going. Let's go.
Buen gol.
That was a beautiful goal. You didn't get it? I think I got it. Nice cross.
Let's go. Good high press, Santiago. Let's go. High press on that. You can take it away. Let's Santiago. Let's go. That's you, Veronica. That should be you right there already. Good, that's what we press.
Luis,
That's
go
the
for it.
mistake.
Good, ball movement.
Necesitamos 5 goles por ahí. Hay que aprovechar que es un equipo de ellos, no son tan buenos.
Up.
Get it back, Monica, let's go, get it back.
Money, Kurt. We're out, Nathan.
Get it back again, good. Use your space, guys, use your space.
We're not being
Use
good.
your space.
Good. Get it out.
Not in the middle, guys, never in the middle. That space on the wide, good. Use the wide.
Come on,
Take it back, take it back.
Turn, Machado. Find the switch. Find the switch.
Left, Santiago, left.
Good.
On the left. Santiago, don't, stay on side, stay on side, stay on side.
Good, Luis. Good, Luis.
Right there.
Go, Santi.
All the way in, all the way in. You gotta go all the way in, Santiago. Use more force.
Good hit. Rep, come here. Arturo.
Leslie.
Eat your shit on this one. I'm gonna keep you guys right there. Bobby?
Get up!
I'm gonna give it to the referee. We're gonna go in for turn over slow.
Pick it up. Bella, be ready. Bella, be ready. Good, Nathan. Kale, pick it up. Good, Bella. Look up, Bella. Come on, Luis. Go, Miguel. Go, Miguel. Go, Miguel. Go, Luis. Oh. Get it out. Play him back. The ball's still in. Come on, Mason. Come on, Mason. Veronica, drop back. You're midfield. Miguel, you're center forward.
That's your man mark, Veronica. That's your man mark right there.
Get it out.
Gotta get out of there. Good.
Miguel, stay on sides. Stay on sides, please. Ref, come here. Go.
Yeah, to the ref.
Jose.
Jose.
Rios.
Machado. No, no.
Machado.
Yeah, Machado.
Machado.
Let's go.
We'll reset at halftime. Nathan, you staying at center back. Pick it up. Nathan, you got to step. Step with your line. See all that space? Nathan. Up. More. Up. Up. It's our ball. Javi. Javi. Get with Nathan. Right there.
Tiempo. No, que te iba a llegar a la forma para llegar a la
Come on, Javi, number 8, please. Come on, Veronica, go, Veronica. Go, Veronica. Find something now. There you go, Sandy, carry the space.
Y es todo lo que falta. Los tantos ya los colgaron, ¿no?
Es que no
Falta el freno, vamos a tener que agarrar de madera. ¿Dónde?
Hay un chaparrito.
No lo miré. De dos, de esos chiquitos de 2 pulgadas. Por 1.5.
Jumbo ones, pushing it up. You gotta use one.
A mí me quebraron como 6 veces. Sí, o quita, vamos a meter hoja de yeso de un cuartito. Ahí no va a haber nada. Ajá. Sí, y cuando hagamos el frame, le vamos a dejar una pulgadita arriba, colgando.
La vela quería,
Para que vamos perdiendo. Vamos a poner la última entre el yeso. Entre el yeso.
Get it back, Veronica. Veronica, get it back. Let's go.
Barrote arriba del refrigerador.
Let's go. That's you right there, Veronica. Good. Let me go. Good.
Entonces
1,
vamos
2.
a meter una madera como de 3/4 o una
Way to get it back. That's what I wanted.
porque los refrigeradores están altos y bajos, altos y
Hey,
bajos.
Javier, let's go. On number 8. On number 8. Right there, right there, right there.
No, es que vamos a dejar, el yeso va a estar colgante del piso, del cielo y tenemos que meterle como unas patitas cada 4 pies de 45 para que no se vaya para frente ni para atrás.
Bring it down to the foot. Good. Let's go, our ball, our ball.
O sea, primero
Veronica, all to the right. All
vas
to
a
the
medir el
right,
hueco
right
entre
there.
medio del cielo
Good.
y el refrigerador. Si son 20 le vas a quitar una pulgada. Lo vas a dejar en 19. Y luego vas a hacer los cuadritos entre medio de...
Vamos por aquí, tenísela.
Vas a hacerlo... Sí. No. Entre medio sí. Porque si te vas...
Go, Mason. Go, Mason. Let's go, Veronica. Protect the ball. Get it
Es que
back.
si lo dejamos, no se va a poder mover los...
Get it back. Get it back.
Cuando
Good.
se mueva el refrigerador, pues, se va a quebrar todo el yeso.
Good. Go.
No, pues no, es que...
Go, Julian. Let's go. Let's do.
Oh,
Get it back.
no. Es que el refrigerador de Winner Kevin es fijo. No se mueve.
Take the space. Take the space. Go. Hey, watch the bounce. Watch the bounce. Get it back, Kevin. Let's go, Kevin.
No reclames.
Iker, send it up.
Es FIFA.
Nathan, stay back. Hey, Iker, send it up. Hey, stay back. Listen. Go, Veronica. That should have been you, Veronica.